Okay, everybody, so now that we are pretty much done with all the components of the supercharger, we got a couple little finishing touches here. We got spark plugs. The part number here is BKR7E. The factory ones are BKR6E. This is supposed to be better for supercharge or turbocharge applications. It's a colder plug, so it's going to make it run better. We also got a couple vacuum connectors and T's, some hoses here so we can get the blow-off valve hooked up to the system. And the final piece is we got ourselves here a K&N filter RU511, so 5111. This is a pretty small filter. I got the measurements based on the last one that came with the kit. If it's not big enough, we'll go with a bigger one, but I think this should be sufficient. We don't have a lot of room to put it in, so this should be good. We'll try it out, see what happens. All right, everybody, so something came up today. I was luckily able to locate these pieces, the original pieces for the supercharger kit. Guy online sold his blower out of the kit, had the rest of the components left over. Got a really good deal on these. He sold these to me for 50 bucks for both, which is a really good deal because this is a $200.50 piece. This is about $350. So all in all, you got $600. We saved a lot. We got these components for 50 bucks. Even though I already built my pieces, we're gonna go ahead and try them out. If everything works great, good. If it doesn't, we always have the factory pieces to fall back on. As you can see, this one here is missing an elbow here that's currently attached to the supercharger. It's more pieces than this one is. It's a single piece. This one here pretty much has the single piece also. It's got the, what do they call that, the boot down on the lower boot integrated into it, where this one I'm connecting to the lower boot. I got a boost gauge here. I'm gonna be running off that line. That goes to our blow off. This one goes to the blow off. So all in all, same concept. But I also came up on these right here. Just a special treat. These are the actual supercharger VF Engineering injectors they sell. Got those for 50. Those are about $200 or $300. I'm not sure, maybe even more. But all in all, for 100 bucks for both pipes and this, we're pretty much going to be having the factory components in case anything goes wrong. Pretty sure I'm going to use the injectors just to start off. I want to try the new injectors I got. So these are the injectors. This is the stock one, factory 328i injector. Never failed on me. This is the 330 injectors I picked up. Ran great for many years. Never had problems with them at all. This is the injector that came with the supercharger kit. They're Excel 30-pound injectors. I think they're 300 cc. They're a little different, so they don't quite fit on the rail. I had to add a spacer to the rail, but they will fit. But luckily I found the light green ones that are the VF Engineering ones. Those are 315 cc's, 315 cc's. I picked these up. These are 370 cc's and these are 420 cc's, just because thinking turbo in the future. But one of these cars will get this set of injectors. These are good to have just in case I have any issues with my VF Engineering ones. But those are the ones we're going to try out right now. But we have quite a few assortment of injectors here. These are going to be probably the ones to be used. These are NA. These are made for boosted up. I hope you liked the video. I know it's a little bit of a short one, but I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that we picked up. Lucky finds. Sometimes if you look hard enough, you'll find what you're looking for. I've been searching online. I've been searching on Craigslist, OfferUp. I found those components for the supercharger, so that was a lucky find. Really hard, really rare to find something like that. Picked up the injectors, the plumbing. I showed you guys all the different injectors we have. If the ones that we got from VF Engineering don't work out, we got all these other options. Originally I bought some of those for a turbo project. and they may still be used for Turbo Project in the future on one of the other cards, but we'll see where we go from there. So if you guys like what we did today, go make sure and drop us a like. Make sure to drop a comment or any questions in the bottom. I will answer the questions.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.